Look at you breathing like a big boy. Are you gonna peek? Are you peeking? Hi.
Oh my god. He was teasing us.
Hello.
Hi, buddy.
He's so tired, look at that.
It's probably really appropriate that your first glimpse of Grandma is that she's filming you.
Totally.
Duck face.
Hi, baby.
You're getting all sorts of good stuff, huh?
Look at you guys. That's your baby. You made this.
Yes, I worked very hard.
I did the real work.
Oh.
Sure you did.